We are at Yangmingshan National Park in Taiwan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here.
This misty escape is a land of hot springs, hidden trails, and steaming volcanic vents.
It smells like Yellowstone. Oh my gosh, it smells like rotten eggs. First, we walked 3 minutes from the visitor center parking lot to the volcanic landform. And this reminds me a lot of Yellowstone. There's just steam coming out from everywhere. I don't know what the term is. It's not geyser, but you know what I mean. It's also really cool because the sulfur kind of made the rocks yellowish green, so it looks like a different planet. We have around 40 minutes before the bus, so we're going to go on a short 800-meter trail. It's called the Xiaoyoukeng Arrow Bamboo Trail, and it's at the back of the visitor center.
See the whole Taipei city. We're walking through a bamboo forest.
Oh,
well,
dude, that looks poisonous.
That looks dead.
Dang, there's so many black animals here.
The sound that you maybe can't hear, but we can, is cicadas. They are almost like beetles in the forest. And they make really obnoxious sounds.
Alright, we just rode the 108 bus, and that was the craziest bus I've ever ridden in my life. We had a stand, and it was winding around the mountain, up and down, and
you can feel every turn, that's all I'm gonna say.
We're gonna look at the Qingtiangang Grassland because supposedly there's water buffalo there.
This open grassland is a breezy, scenic spot perfect for easy hikes, picnics, and spotting wild cattle in the hills.
It would be cool, but it would also be dangerous if they didn't have a fence there. Do they attack humans?
You can see all the mini bugs cleaning the cattle's back. It's kind of fascinating. Kalu, I see the resemblance between you and the cat and the water buffalo.
And that is Qingtiangang Grassland.
I really enjoyed it. You can get some really close-up photos and get really close to the water buffaloes. And I think you can almost guarantee to see them. So if you're around here, definitely see it.
I really enjoyed that. Actually, when we were first coming to Yangmingshan National Park, I somehow did not know about this place. And I was going to take us to a little man-made village with like a small waterfall and some Japanese houses. But I think this is more unique. So if you have limited time, definitely come here because this is just such an Instagrammable place, and the water buffalo are so cute, especially the baby one. Our next stop is Garden 91.
This hidden oasis in the heart of Taipei blends art, nature, and serenity like nowhere else.
When you come into Garden 91, they provide you with an audio guide. Each person can have one, and it's in English or Chinese. And that way you can know what each of the sculptures you're looking at inside is about. Also, what's really unique about this place is they encourage you to touch the sculptures so that you can connect with it more. And they just really want you to feel at peace during your visit here. I hear thunder in the distance, so let's explore this garden before it starts raining. It's so cool that they turned this home into a place full of statues that they sculpted where you can visit. And just imagine having this as your property and walking. It's so peaceful. Over here, we're overlooking Beitou, which is the hot spring district. So the center of Taipei is somewhere in that direction over there. This is the back of the garden where they're currently working on creating a space for like serene meditation kind of a thing. But for now, we're gonna go look at the goats. We're at the cafe, and when you come in, you get this stone. It's really cool. It has a drawing on it and a Chinese character, and it gives you a discount at the cafe. Here's an altar that honors the parents of the owners. It got so dark all of a sudden. We're now on the second floor and we realized that there's a balcony here. So if it's a rainy day like today and you don't want to be there because you'll get wet, you can just sit out here. Although, it's crazy how in Taiwan the weather changes so fast. Look at this engraving. And usually the figure would pop out, but here it's engraved in the stone. I was reading the owner's message at the cafe on the bottom, and he said that he hopes that this garden is a reflection of his heart. And I definitely do feel more at peace here. And that is Garden 91.
I really enjoyed this place. It was very peaceful, and the owner of this place, he put a lot of passion into it. And overall, it's very calming, and you should definitely check this out.
This is probably the most peaceful place I've ever been to. Not only is the artwork amazing and it's unique that you can touch the sculptures, but just spending a few hours here, especially after the crazy bus ride from the top of the mountain at Yangmingshan National Park, like the day was just so chaotic, and then this brought everything to peace, and the weather perfectly fits the vibe. This is one of the best hidden gems ever, and if you come to Taipei, even though it's not in the touristy area and it takes a little bit time to get here, like 40 minutes by bus, you should definitely come check it out.
See you in the next video. Bye!